Here's how to receive one order within SpexMan that has multiple jobs on it. You can see here on the screen we have one job in blue, one in green. And one job comes in from the lab today, and then the next job will come in tomorrow, let's say. But the patient wants to pick up things as soon as they come in. They're anxious to get them, wear them, enjoy vision. So what you'll do is you'll go to lab production. I'm going to go to received. And we can see this is order number 486 right here. Actually, and before I do that, let me show you this. So I'm going to click on lab ticket. And on this lab ticket, we'll zoom in. The order is 486, which encompasses both orders. So order 1 and order 2. But the job number respective to each order, respective to each pair of glasses, is right here. So I'm going to go ahead and type in 486. I'm going to go to receive. I'm going to type 486 here and enter. So this is going to bring up two jobs. And you can enter invoice numbers and wholesale cost. Then I could click OK, and then it would, of course, go to the next one. So now it goes to the second one. I'm going to pretend that this job has not came in yet, so I'm just going to click skip. Okay, so I'm going to uncheck the job that I'm not checking in. Of course, you can see on the right-hand side the information. So I'm going to click this one, and I'm just going to copy this job number so I have it for later. Okay, so I'm going to just receive just this one order, okay? All right. Now, let me show you something here. So I'm going to go back to orders. And when we look at order 486 here, I'm on the order tab, we can see that we have one job that's been received, as in highlighted in this color, and then we have one that's on order. So these are indication that there's two jobs or multiple jobs running. You could have four, you could have six. So it's just a quick, nice, easy view. Of course, you can always just type the number in 486 just to narrow it down to that one patient. All right, so let's go back and go to lab production receiving again. And when I type in 486 here again, the order, it does pop up with the one job that's remaining. So I could type that in. The other way, just gonna refresh this, is you can just scan that lab ticket, which is what I prefer, with that exact job number that you're trying to check in. And then that's another way just to bring up that specific one. So you can either scan the order number, which will bring up everything, or you can scan per job, which will bring up just the one that you're trying to work with at that moment.